Good morning. Where am I going? Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm here, but I feel like I have definitely chosen the wrong footwear. Oh, there's a dog. Oh, hello. It is really quite rainy and I feel like I'm on a farm. So, and I'm wearing like little mesh ballet pumps. So there we go. Oh my God, wrong shoes. My feet are gonna get so wet. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It wasn't raining when I left.
I don't typically wear a lot of makeup.
Fine.
Generally. Tend to just be a bit of a tinted moisturiser and go.
Fine.
But whenever I have done full anything, normally a little bit more sort of neutral. I've not been super experimental with colours or anything.
Fine.
Funny, because I thought it would be really different.
Is it good?
Yeah, no, it's really good. I thought, I was anticipating, like, this, I will look like a different person.
Yeah,
I've never done it.
But just like, I've just done you like bronzy because you've got nice colour on you.
No.
A bit bronzy, a little bit like definition on the eyes. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
I'm obsessed. Honestly, every time we meet, we go, have you seen this video?
What are we doing? What would you like?
Whatever you want to do.
Oh my God.
I love makeup.
Okay.
I love it. So, whatever you want to do.
Oh my God, fun. Okay.
I love it. Go for it. Shove it on.
Shove it on.
I literally, I go for an express tan.
Yeah.
And she's like, wash it off in 4 hours. I'm like, I'm going to sleep in it.
Oh.
Just search for anything pink.
Yeah, same. Do you like it?
I feel like princess.
Oh.
I actually love it. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. You look
I actually feel loved.
so
Thank
beautiful.
You. Stunning. Thank you so
You're
much.
so welcome.
You are a star. You're lush. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're so welcome.
Oh my God!
Look at you.
My airbrush. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're.
Now, the toxic part of me thinks I need more eyelashes, but I'm ready.
I just said I think we should do more. I think we should do more.
That's the only thing though.
Okay.
We said the same.
I do think we should do
if you said
lashier.
we couldn't, I wouldn't care. But
No, I think we should do lashier, definitely.
maybe just a couple more.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
Everything
couple.
else. Perfect.
Okay, perfect. How excited!
Yeti.
Yeti.
A classic skin. Yeah, I like a bit more lash. Yeah.
I just want a bit more with your eyes, really.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah?
Yeah. I love it. I love
Ethan, you look incredible.
What would you like?
That would take on to you.
Yeah? Cool.
I did save a video, but I didn't know if it would look good on me.
Who's put
Oh,
on this? I did not add this to the playlist.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You are so welcome.
Incredibly.
She said it had
That smells lovely.
something,
Nice, isn't it?
some sort of
Crouch.
meal.
Yeah, that's fine. Where are we doing it? Are we doing it in the bun?
Under the bun, I think.
Or under?
Yeah, that's
Yes, Emma. Yeah, that's perfect.
that feels very
That's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh my God, you look insane.
So well. Right, bye guys, have a good day. Enjoy. See you later. Bye. What a glorious wedding morning. Oh, that was really lovely. Really, really delightful. I felt like I was in a film. You know those weddings, those films where there's a family wedding and people are running around with like buckets of flowers and like they made their own flowers. The bride did her own hair. It was just so relaxed and so lovely and such a nice venue. It's like a glamping like campsite. Also, I now don't have a wedding for 2 weeks, which is pretty delightful, and we're due a heat wave. Oh my God, what do I want? Hello, can I please have the barbecue chicken bites? A classic chicken burger, please. I'm so excited about this. I had a Wendy's once before, and it was when I was in America, and I remember ordering a chicken Caesar salad because I just wanted salad, and it came with a side of a baked potato and chili con carne, and I was like, oh, I didn't order that. And she was like, oh no, that's the sides that come with it. I was like, right, okay, right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Barbecue chicken. Oh my fucking fucking god. Yum.